So what's an ammo armor and why do you need one? Well, those are very good questions. Since nothing like ammo armor has ever existed before, it's probably worth it to give you a quick overview of what ammo armor is. Ammo armor is a polyethylene polymer cover that goes over your magazine to protect it from dirt, dust, lint, moisture, anything that could get down inside the magazine and potentially interfere with the operation of the magazine. Or worse yet, anything that could get into the magazine and then eventually work its way into the pistol itself. That could cause a malfunction, a misfire, or a jam, anything like that. So the idea is that if you keep your magazines clean and you keep them well oiled and you take good care of them, they'll take good care of you. And that's why we came up with the ammo armors, because we felt that it was really important to protect your magazines once they were cleaned and oiled and ready for use. Some people carry a spare magazine in their range bag. That's great. Is your range bag something that you clean out regularly to get any dirt or dust out of there? Some people carry spare magazines in the glove box on their car or between the armrests in the compartment, or some people carry a spare magazine in their pocket, in their coat or their jeans or their pants. All those are environments where contamination could potentially get down into a magazine. And as you can see here, a magazine is a fairly straightforward piece of equipment. It's just a spring and ammunition under tension. Dirt contamination is going to work its way up out of the magazine at some point based on the way that a magazine works. So we were trying to create a product that would minimize the potential for a problem with your magazine, which would therefore minimize the potential for a problem with your firearm. So we created the ammo armor. It was designed and engineered, patented and manufactured, packaged and shipped right here in the United States. That was hugely important to us. We wanted to make a product here in the US. It's a dying art, and it took a while to find the right manufacturers and the right engineers. But when we did, we went all in. The reason we used a polyethylene polymer instead of just a standard plastic is that polyethylene polymers are used in very high-end applications. Usually they're used in luxury automobiles for dashboards, armrests, door panels, anywhere that you touch the automobile or the plastic and you want to have a high quality experience. You don't want that cheap tinny plastic feel. That's where they use polyethylene. And as a result of that, we ended up with a product that feels just really high quality in your hand. Never mind all the engineering and energy that we expended making a quality product. We also wanted it to feel like a quality product. So to that end, the polyethylene that's used in automobile applications and used for the ammo armor has very, very high temperature tolerances. Polyethylene polymers are resistant to over 200 degrees temperature, which naturally a dashboard or components in your car would have to be. And they're also resistant to solvents. And that's key because in the case of the ammo armor, when you clean your pistols and your magazines and you oil them, you're using aggressive solvents. I mean, that's just the nature of gun solvents and gun cleaners. So we wanted to make sure we used an inert plastic that would shrug off any use of aggressive solvents, and that's why we went with a polyethylene as well. So the neat thing about the ammo armor is that in most cases it's designed to completely cover the magazine, as you can see here. Goes right down to the base. There are certain ammo armors that we sell that are compatible with, in the case of this magazine, this is a Glock 9mm, for example. This ammo armor will work with the 40 cal and the 357 SIG, but they also work with the extended versions of those magazines. This is the Glock 17 mag. It's a 9mm. It slides right into the Glock 19 ammo armor. Because the Glocks manufacture their magazines without holes down at the bottom, this is completely self-contained and protected as a result, which is neat because if you are a Glock guy, you've probably got a lot of Glock magazines, you probably use them interchangeably, and having one ammo armor that works for most of them is certainly an advantage. With that being said, we do intend on eventually releasing additional ammo armors. Some of them will be longer for the purposes of the Glock 17 and the Glock 22, which is, so the idea is that eventually we will have a specific ammo armor for something like this. But for now, with the 8 that we have and the 4 more that are coming, we cover a very wide variety of products. I'll give you a quick overview. For example, this is a single stack 1911 45 caliber magazine, right? And this is a prototype, so the plastic used here is not polyethylene, but the finished product will be polyethylene. With that being said, this is an 8-round 1911 magazine. even though we intend on offering a 5 and 6 round and 7 round ammo armor, for now the regular standard ammo armor will work with a 5 round. In this case, this is the XDS 45 magazine. Works just perfectly fine. If you're looking for protection for your magazines, this is going to get the job done. Here's a 6 round mag for the Kar PM45, just to give you an idea. So so that's what's neat about the ammo armor and its use for a wide variety of magazines. I'll give you a couple of other quick examples. This is a single stack 380. We are going to do single stack 380s, single stack 9s. I just showed you the single stack 45. We'll also be doing all of these in double stack or stack and a half, depending on the demand. This is a very popular product for us. The Shield 9mm, also the same as the Shield 40 cal. We're building a unique ammo armor for this particular magazine because it's a stack and a half, and there's not a lot of other firearms that are stack and a half. Actually, in the case of this ammo armor, it also works with the Honor Defense, which is a stack and a half 9mm / 40 cal. And then just to give you another quickie, this is the prototype for a 40 cal 9mm double stack magazine. We're going to be doing these in the long and the short length as well, in case you have a compact version of a 9mm or a 40 caliber double stack magazine. We'll offer that. So essentially, what you are seeing here is the reason behind the ammo armor and the materials and the production and creation of the ammo armor. Everyone is individually packaged for you. They're all made here in the U.S. They're barcoded. You can find all this on our website, again, ammo-armor.com. We also have the phone number on the website, on all the products, on all of our packaging. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We are here, 40 hours a week to help you out. Just bear with us. We're a small operation, but we're dead set on making these products available throughout the country and helping everybody we can. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. We will try and add to our YouTube channel just as new products come out and as there are certain things that we want you to be aware of. But in the meantime, thank you very much, and we really hope you enjoy the product. We worked hard to make sure that you would.